This wig is from...
Man, they send the influencers the good hair and then everybody else gets bad hair.
I've been hearing that for years, y'all. I'm ghost buying this hair with no influencer privilege attached. There is no way, no how that any of these vendors are going to know this is me. They don't know. We're just doing a little checking. This is going to be real interesting, y'all.
Let the church say subscribe.
Y'all know I love doing these videos. You know, for years I have heard this quote on YouTube.
Man, they send the influencers the good hair and then everybody else gets bad hair.
I've been hearing that for years, y'all. Across the board, on many different platforms, many different influencers get this comment. Everybody ain't lying. You are now listening to my inner thoughts. Okay, you guys, I forgot to say this. Listen, there's different skills amongst different people, right? So if you can't style a wig the way that an influencer styled the wig because your skill level is different, that has nothing to do with the vendor and what they sent you, okay? I just want to be very specific. Now, if you can't style the wig because the wig is supposed to be 250% density and you got it and it's looking like 130, that's the vendor issue, okay? That's what I'm talking about. And the church say amen. Okay, bye. I'm going to be bringing you styles with no influencer privilege attached. Basically, what that means is I'm buying these units. There is no way, no how that any of these vendors are going to know this is me. They don't know. And I'm going to try them out. At the end of the day, I like to be certain that what you guys are getting, no matter who is ordering, is quality on top of quality. Okay? I'm not saying it has to be the most top of the line wig ever. It just has to be what you say it's going to be. If it's supposed to be a certain quality of hair and I get it, it's coming off like aesthetic, that's going to be a problem. It just has to be what it says it is. So this series, that's what it's about. I'm ghost buying this hair, basically. This is going to be an adventure for all of us. Up first, I've never had a problem with this company. I have never had a problem with this company. In fact, a couple of their wigs are like my favorite wigs. And I know plenty of people who have bought their wigs, who have purchased their wigs, not influencers, and they love the wigs. But every once in a while, you'll see those comments like, I ordered this and I got something else. So let's just cut to the chase and talk about this. This wig is from Kinky. Y'all, I funneled through, like I said, the comments about styling. Y'all, they don't have nothing to do with that. They don't have anything to do with the fact if you can't style it a certain way. You know what I'm saying? But the comments that I do see about like the density and not being as full, things like that, those things start to pique my interest and catch my attention, because what I don't do is encourage you to pay money for something and then you get something else. I don't roll like that. So this is a way for us to hold vendors accountable, funnel through and see which vendors are the most consistent, and, you know, give us a different level of trust when we're putting our money into other people and other businesses. So this is a way for me to encourage all hair vendors to make sure that the hair that's going out to these influencers, including myself, is the hair that's going out to every single customer that orders. This is my civic duty as an influencer, y'all, because I'm telling you, since the beginning of the time, it seemed like I've been seeing that statement on YouTube. Chad, you know they send the influencers this good hair and they send us, look at this mess they done sent me. We've all heard it. So let's do something about it, right? Let's do something about it. No influencer privilege series, and y'all, let's go. I purchased this wig from Kinky, and so far, this is consistent from what I know from Kinky. You're going to get your little ignorant lashes. If y'all like ignorant lashes, bam. You got your elastic for when you're melting your wig down. Bam. Child, I don't know what this is. They done put off up in the box. They put something else in the box. Let me see. Y'all, I'm so excited about this series. I'm telling you. They put a bonnet in here, y'all. Bam. And this is the wig. Now, this wig that I ordered, I have wore this wig before as part of a paid collaboration. Y'all have seen a video of this wig before, okay? Now, These are the specs. 13x4 kinky curly lace front afro curly. It's supposed to be pre-plucked. It's supposed to come with baby hair, 150% density, and it's supposed to be 24 inches. That's typically the stretched length. It's supposed to be unprocessed, no chemical treatment, no synthetic fibers. Now, this is a medium cap size that I got. If you want to see the full 24 inches, you're going to have to straighten it. But that's with any curly wig. So that's okay. Natural black color, 13x4 Swiss lace, free part, medium brown lace color, ear to ear lace. Okay, you guys. So those are the specs. Let me just open it and see. Hair is disinfected. The hair that I received as an influencer was disinfected. It does have the disinfect sticker on here as well. So that's good. That's a plus. This is the wig. The hair feels great. It's really soft. I'm actually going to look at what the other one looked like right out of the box. Okay, it literally looks almost the same. It looks pre-plucked in the front. The cap construction, it looks exactly the same. What you would expect, you have your two combs on the side of the frontal. You have your comb in the back. You have your adjustable strap. This wig does not come with any elastic. I don't know about this density, y'all. I don't know. I can't tell if there's a big, that's really what I was trying to zoom in on. When you see those comments, generally it's about the density. It's never about like the quality of the hair, nothing like that. It's generally about the density. It's looking like 150. So, you know what I'm saying? And I'm trying to, as I style this, I'm going to literally watch my previous video to see if there's a vast difference in the densities. But y'all, it feels good. The quality is there as far as the hair quality. It's very soft. I can run my fingers through it, all of that. It is pre-plucked along that hairline. Now, their wigs are never like, you've seen some of the wigs that I wore that's been like about that pre-pluck life. It's not on that level, but it's pre-plucked. It is the same level as the first wig that I wore. So that's the same. The knots are not bleached. They were not bleached with the wig that they sent me. So that's pretty consistent. So far, you guys, the wig is very consistent. So far, so good. The only thing I don't know right now that I can't say for sure is if the density is the same. This is like 150. This density is like 150. I don't know if they added a little bit more volume to mine. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. This is it, y'all. Okay? Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. If y'all feeling this series, let me know in the comments. Y'all want to see more episodes like this? We just doing a little checking. We just doing a little checking, okay? No influencer privilege. This is going to be real interesting, y'all. Hold on. All right, you guys, so I'm just going to style this really the same way that you saw me style the first video that I did, that I've been mentioning here. So it's not going to be any different. I'm going to use the same exact products, the same exact technique to pop these curls. Everything that you see me do here is literally going to be the exact same thing, because that's how we're going to really make a strong comparison, y'all. Now listen, I have feelings. I have feelings about this, you guys. I feel like this, listen, this is definitely 150% density, but what I had the first time was definitely more dense than this particular wig, y'all. So I think the wig, the first wig, probably was closer to about 180 to possibly 200. Maybe not 200, maybe closer to 180, but definitely in between. But y'all, look at this. The wig on the right, that's the first wig. It's the same exact wig, but the one on the left, you know what's up. Look at the difference, y'all. Look at the difference in the density. That's why I was saying earlier, I don't want to speak too soon until I get it wet down and brushed out. Clearly, there's a difference in the density, okay? Now, there's no difference in the quality of the hair. I can't say that. Everything is the same as far as how the hair came, the lace color, the fit of the wig, everything else is the same. It was pre-plucked, all of that stuff. Everything was the same. But y'all, this density is different. But it's so crazy because this one right here is the one that's more true to 150. This particular wig is a closer 150 than the first wig. Like I said, the first wig at least 180. Okay, so as you can see here, the curls are curling. They're doing their thing just like the first wig. So the quality is what I would expect it to be. But y'all, look at the density. It's the density, y'all. It is the density. So what I will say is this. I have a feeling that this is going to turn out really cute. Y'all, I love this blow dryer. OMG. It is now my favorite blow dryer. But anyways, I have a feeling that this wig is going to be really cute because 150 in a kinky curly style, it's still gonna give you that pop. It's still gonna give you that ba boom. It's still gonna give you that ignite thickness. You know what I'm saying? Kinky curly does that. That's why it's another reason why I love it so much. You can get 150 and still, you see what I'm saying? It doesn't look, once it's all dry, it doesn't look sparse. It doesn't look, you know what I'm saying? Like it's not giving bald head scallywag. It's not giving that. So yes, there is a difference in between the two wigs. So I'm going to be very clear about that as far as the density. I feel like the first wig that was sent to me was a little bit more full than this particular wig that I go spot. Okay, so that's the bottom line. So this is what I'm so happy to do these videos, y'all. You don't even understand, because I want you to see what you're gonna get when you purchase these particular styles, you guys. So overall, I'm not super, like blown away. Like there's really no other difference other than that slight difference in density. Everything else is still really good. The quality, the lace, it's a 13x4, but the first one was a 13x4 as well, so there's only 4 inches of parting space going back, but that is okay. Everything is still the same. The length is the same. Yeah, I can't think of anything else that is off from the first wig. It's literally the density. We're talking, this is a true 150 for kinky curly hair versus what I had before, which was quoted as 150. It's not. These are not the same densities as you saw. Like you saw that for yourself. I put them side by side, so it's not me, it's not an opinion, it is what it is. Okay, so either we're going to make either all of the wigs should be like wig A, or all of the wigs should be like wig B, because these are two different densities. So it is what it is. So now you guys get to make an educated choice on what you want to do, if you want this wig or not. And it's still fly, y'all. That's the good news. It's still fly. All right, peace, love, light.